proud mama.
You don't want to get hurt because my
Silly brother.
You won't get hurt also.
Adoring grandpa.
So go, 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 go. So go, 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 go.
Okay. Yay! Woo! Take a bow. Very good. Woo!
Sarah Speroni and Kevin Speroni, the brother, here they come. Give them a big hand.
Yay!
Hello, I'm reading now. But the clock struck 2. And now he goes. Hickory, dickory, dock.
I don't think they know what they're supposed to do.
Camera, kids can't fight. Ooh, no fighting.
There you go. What's the matter? Kevin's had a big day.
Kevin. Bring him on stage.
Kevin told you to cut a fish, Mom.
Kevin, he's going to find out he's never going to get charged.
The little girls are going to just run circles around him.
A lifetime of agony for this poor guy.
Yes, you just seem so miserable all the time, Jim.
Yeah. Yeah.
Torture.
I learned to play second fiddle.
Oh, that's it's a nice dance. Look at the form on them. Oh, beautiful.
Wow.
Yes, Mother. Wow. Don't hurt her back. That's hysterical. Oh my goodness. You should twirl her at the end. Oops. Don't do it too much back. You could hurt her back.
Hey, wonderful performance.
Very good. Very good.
Well, Kevin, now here's a nice quiet song.
Oh, the other one was wild.
Yeah, I thought that was. There you go. Just like professional dancers. Woo, such balance. Wow. You guys gonna go on So You Think You Can Dance someday? Or maybe you'll become stars first and you'll be on Dancing with the Stars. Fantastic! Yay! Thank you. Oh, I like what Kevin's doing here. Very good, Kevin. Yay!
It's done with that one, Sarah.
You're going to fall into the tube.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Where'd you get that dress on so fast? Oh, that was good.
Sarah, no socks up your sleeve.
Don't swing around too hard, Kevin.
Cover the table.
Oh, none of that.
So it's so serious. They're both so serious.
I know.